You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
Okay, ladies and gents, here we go. I know you hate this one, it's stair climbing, but you can't just keep doing sprints all your life. So 15 minutes of stair climbing, yeah, I have to admit, it sucks. But, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, tell a friend. You don't have to have the Bowflex Max Trainer to work out with me. Bring whatever you got. This is simply, I made this channel so we have someone to work out with. If you have your iPhone watch, whatever you have, set that now. Get ready for your workout. If you have the M7 like I do, make sure your heart monitor is on. And if you hear music in the background, it's already that pre-approved music through YouTube, so my channel shouldn't be shut down for it. It's not the best music in the world, but I don't know if you'll hear it all that great, but it'll take my mind off of the workout. So, I'm going to get my iPhone watch going. Look for my stair climbing. Remember, the stair climbing goes from 14, 16, 18, 20. It just keeps repeating itself real hard. And I think there's 6, let me see, yep, 6 stages of it until we get finished. 15-minute workout. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hit that start button and let the fun begin. Just remember, when you first get started on the stairs, it's going to shock your body because it's hard. Ease your way into it. Don't just try to hit it real hard. Especially on the first stage. You know, when it's hitting the 14, 16, 18, 20, let your body get used to it. If we do this the right way, we should have no problem burning at least 400 calories. Our heart rate's probably going to get up pretty good. Try not to talk so much in this one, because this one kind of takes my breath away. Resistance of 18 now. You should really be feeling this, like you want to stop, like you made a mistake. What the heck am I doing? But don't. Stay with my pace, and you'll be all right. First 50 calories out of the way. Resistance of 20. First stage is almost over. So since we have 50 calories before the first stage is over, we know we're on track of at least 300. Okay? Stage 2. See if I can find that music. Hopefully it's loud enough. Try to take your mind off the workout a little bit. said, it's not the best in the world, but it's something to listen to. There's 100 calories. Heart rate around 151. Still in stage 2. Come on. Concentrate on the beat of the music. Just keep the pace going. Use those arms, help them legs out. Stage 3. On the heart rate. We're doing good. Nothing ridiculous. That's it. Just listen to the beat. Keep the pace going. Little funk town on the bass guitar. Told you it wasn't the best music. But it's got a beat. And we won't get shut down for it. It's approved by YouTube, so it's all that matters. Resistance of 20. Last part of stage 3. Almost halfway there. Calories. Alright. We might be on track for 400. Good job. Stage 4. Don't forget to breathe, guys. Deep breath in, let it out slow. You need that oxygen to your legs. legs out. Keep going. Don't you quit. We'll be in stage 5 in a minute. There you go. You should feel better on your legs. Guys, when it comes down to that 14, use that time to recover. You have to slow down a little bit, slow down. Don't burn yourself out. Calories. Woo! We're doing great today. .163 on the heart rate. Still not ridiculous. Not for climbing stairs. Keep it going. Come on. I'll give you some more music in a minute. We're at the end of stage 5. Alright? Next stage. It's where the race begins. All the other stuff was just to get to this point. When it drops down to 14, recover. There it is. Now let's finish this. That's it. Let's pump through it. Control that breathing. almost to the finish line. Don't you quit. The only one you quit is yourself. Keep it going. Four 400 calories. Nice. Seconds. Don't stop now. To the finish line. Come on. Come on. We're almost there. 10 seconds. Don't you dare quit. Through the finish line. 3, 2, 1, and we're done. Ooh, yeah, it was hard, but we made it. See you on the next one.